welcome to myToyS TV. Today we're opening Shopkins Cookie Club. Oh, Serve Club. Just kidding. And there is 2 Shopkins here and 6 mini ones. And we have this.
Well, this is nice and icy fridge.
Yeah,
right?
nice and icy fridge.
Let's take a look at it.
Oh, we got 1 freezer. Just kidding. Let's look at the back first.
Yeah, we
Good
got
for shoppies.
yeah, one.
And you can store more Shopkins.
Yeah, you like shopping very much. It
I love
contains
Shopkins.
one
There's
fridge
2
preset.
of these, right?
Yeah, 2 exclusive Shopkins, 6 mini Shopkins, 1 recipe book, and 1 recipe card.
Yeah, I'm very excited to open this, so let's open it now.
Yeah.
It's so easy to open. Not. Let's show you guys this. Oops, forgot to cut this. I didn't know we had to go through all of this stuff. How did the first tape open, by the way? I know this one you just have to twist this up here.
If you need a helping hand, just raise your hand.
Okay, only if I need to. Because this package is very easy to open, right? It's not like the other ones.
I don't always know why they do the packagings like this and make it so difficult to unpack it.
But this one is easy.
Some other video they don't show you how you unpack it.
Yeah. What?
It's nothing, right? Just trash.
Take all the trash.
A lot of trash.
We don't need this box.
Yeah, we don't need the box. Trash, trash.
We hate trash.
Environmental unfriendly. We should save the earth.
Wait, I'm gonna take out these things first.
Today is Sunday. We are still on vacation, on holiday.
Yeah, tomorrow is Monday.
Yeah, you don't have school.
Yeah, because it's still the holidays, you know.
Yeah, it's a school holiday. Mommy need to work.
Yeah. What do you mean, Mommy? It's PA.
Yeah, PA.
You just
Be
call
careful. Cut your finger.
I don't cut my fingers. This is so hard to open. You have to go to the tip. You help me, cameraman. I hate opening packages. They always make me stressed.
Just nothing.
It's
Some
not-
more trash. You see? Trash.
That's not trash.
It's trash.
What? It's 2.
They put a lot of tape and rubber band there.
Yeah. Is it rubber band?
It's kind of
Can I use
rubber
it for
band.
my hair?
No, those kind of
Okay.
rubber band is not for you.
So we
Yeah.
got the cookbook. Let's open it and see what it has inside.
Yeah, this is a fridge, but still have a lot of trash on it.
It's mystery! What is this? Comment down below if you know what kind of Shopkins it is. It tells you the face. And nothing else. There's still a package thingy in there. Okay, give me the scissors. I know how to do this one. Don't cut me. Let's open this one now. Don't cut myself. Be cautious. Why are these rubber bands so... Wait, we don't even need to do that. Okay, now we got the 2 Shopkins out. Wait, let me get them out. Here.
Did we have this before?
I don't think so.
So we got something new for your collection.
I don't think we got these before. Look. Let's put them down, or let's put them on the shelf. Should we put them on the shelf?
Yes.
They don't... Oh, you can take the shelves out.
Want some more
not
Shopkins
broken.
from your collection?
No need, we don't need to show them.
No, I don't mean you need to show them, but you can put it in the fridge.
Sure.
Let me see what.
They're apart. They're apart. They're actually 6.
Yeah.
They're so cool. I love them.
You can put this in your fridge.
These don't feel. They're rubbery. Why do they feel rubbery?
Yeah, because it's made from rubber. You know where is rubber from? From tree.
Tree?
Yes, from tree. From palm tree.
Um,
And in Asia, there's a lot of rubber palm tree in Malaysia.
Rubber?
Yeah.
Palm? Wait, this doesn't work.
Let me
You
get
have to
you
make
some.
it upside down to fit it in. You have to make it upside down to fit it in. It sucks! If you have to put it upside down, you can't see the face, right? Why there's so much trash? What? Okay, let's take Shopkins. Where's the other thingy? Was that all trash? Okay, let's put some Shopkins in. And then put the...
Yeah, you can open the drawer and open the fridge.
Oh, so me. What? You can take the drawers out too. But you can't
Yeah, you
take
can put a lot of this here. This is
We
what.
got 2. Let's put the twins
This is
together.
cheese, a piece of cheese.
Piece. That's not cheese, that's pizza.
Pizza. And what else?
We
can
got a
put
party hat, that's not food.
Yeah.
We only put the food there, right?
Gotta put some food there.
There's no food anymore. Where's my food? Oh, thank you.
Hamburger.
Oh, thank you for that hamburger. That's a happy place. But that's okay. Let's put it in the box. But show you the
Is
hamburger.
it a donut?
Yep, that's the donut.
Strawberry.
Yeah,
Can-
strawberry. Wait,
Ice
what?
cream.
Ice cream? That's the drawers. Now
Milk.
you got
Get
the
some milk
drawers.
inside.
Put some that's not milk.
Whatever.
That's gum. That's okay. But
Put it
if
over. It's a fridge. You can put a lot of things inside the fridge, right?
that's the fridge.
Let's take a
That's
close
the
up on
drawer.
of the fridge.
Yeah, that's the fridge.
Nice and icy fridge.
I'm gonna put a candy and a hot dog. That's from our hot dog thingy. A New York one. We can close it.
Yeah, we love New York hot dog. Oh, remember you got a hot dog a couple days ago at IKEA.
Couple days?
Yeah, 2
when
days
I went
ago.
to Hong Kong. The
like this
face
one.
is upside down. If you can only put it upside down. It sucks, right?
Yep. And this kind of
I don't have
tomatoes, ketchup or whatever.
what?
I don't know.
There's sweet sauce,
This
man.
is what ice cream.
Ice cream.
This is a what? I don't know what's
That's another one of these.
that. You're sure many Shopkins.
We have a volcano.
Yeah, yeah. Guys can check out your another
My
videos of your shopping collections.
peach.
Ice
Can't
cream.
fit anybody. That's not ice cream. That's a cupcake.
Okay.
That's enough.
I guess you still have some more shopping in your
It
shopping
doesn't
case.
fit anymore.
You have 2 shopping cases, but I
It
don't know where we
doesn't
put
fit
it.
anymore.
It's full.
Where's? Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we want 1 million subscribers. So press the subscribe button and we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.